Zhao Hu is a 31-year-old man of the Zybe ethnic group in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. He has been fascinated by the group's traditional techniques of making bows and arrows, which was listed as a national intangible cultural heritage in 2008. Long before archery became a sport, bows and arrows were used as hunting weapons by the Zybe people. Zhao has been operating the Bow and Arrow Museum in the county since 2021 with the government's support. He also set up a workshop along with his team to teach school students how to make bows and arrows.
今后我就想通过这样的方式，让更多的孩子或者让更多的游客来了解锡伯族的传统弓箭，也希望我们本地的这样的有兴趣的孩子或者年轻人能来传承这个文化。
Wang Jiangjiang, 38, has been engaged in documenting and recording intangible cultural heritage in Xinjiang for 13 years. His hometown in Hebei province is nearly 3,000 kilometers away from the region where he recorded the mukam and other cultural features. Mukam is a traditional art of the Weighor ethnic group, integrating songs, dances, and literature, and hailed as the encyclopedia of their history and social life. It was approved by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity in 2005.
我们主要是深入到南北疆各地的我们的基层的民间，去记录我们的非物质文化遗产的艺术形式。我们会通过影像，会通过文字，通过照片，通过录音，来进行一个完整的一个资料的一个记录。有了这个非常好的资料的记录之后呢，我们的一些原创音乐人就可以从里面吸取到非常好的元素。另外，对于我们接下来的研究和去传播这个好的文化的艺术，会有一个非常好的一个后备的一个资料的一个储备。
They have traveled to over 300 villages and towns in Xinjiang and have completed 45 varieties of mukam and oral biographies of 77 mukam inheritors. Apart from mukam, Wang and his team also record other forms of intangible cultural heritage in Xinjiang and have already documented the information of over 2,000 folk artists of multi-ethnic groups. Under the support of the central government, Xinjiang has vigorously strengthened the protection and inheritance of intangible cultural heritage in recent years. The region has established 120 region-level intangible cultural heritage protection and inheritance bases, 6 Uyghur Mukam art inheritance centers, and 10 inheritance centers for other types of art.